Hello friends, this is Sudhakar, qualified fitness trainer. Welcome to this episode of Fitness Size. Dear friends, sincere thanks for your very encouraging response to my earlier episode. We all are experiencing a severe impact of pandemic. Everything has come to standstill. We were not prepared for this because we had no idea at all. Gyms are shut down and are shut down for quite a long time. Many are trying to keep themselves fit by doing some exercises indoor or in open. Mainly they do cardio, endurance or flexibility exercises. However, they are missing considerably on resistance training, and as such they fear of losing all the accumulated gains during this lengthy lockdown period. What is the way out? Now, take the first point, that is progressive resistance training in absence of gym setups. Today, I am demonstrating two bodyweight exercises, one for lower body and another for the upper body, and how to increase the resistance. As you all know, step up is a very beautiful exercise for the legs. It has multiple added advantages as well. It's difficult to get a platform on which this exercise can be done at home, but you can use kitchen platform and practice sufficiently with body weight to get the confidence. Once you get the confidence, then increasing the load in addition to your body weight can be resolved by taking a shoulder bag. Now here in the video I am performing with additional 6 kg load stuffed into this shoulder bag. Now load in the form of heavy books can be used. I have tried this method up to 12 kg using paver blocks, and it works. The paver blocks are available everywhere. You go to any roadside, you will find the used paver blocks. They are quite compact and quite heavy. So these can be used to increase the load. Second exercise is for the upper body. Now parallel bar dips is an extremely good exercise for triceps. Here again, difficulty of getting parallel bars at home is always there. However, this can be resolved by using L-type kitchen platform or corner of hip high parapet wall. In the video demonstration, I am performing this exercise with additional 6 kg load to the body weight. This exercise also I have tried using paver blocks up to 10 kg. Now with this method you can perform squats, lunges, pistol squats, etc. These will be very useful for training different body parts with resistance training. Now before closing this episode, one of the viewer of earlier episode, Mr. Pradeep Kumar, has commented on that episode inquiring about what exercises I do and what diet I follow. Thank you, Mr. Pradeep Kumar, for showing interest. I'm answering this here in this episode because I felt that it will help many other viewers as well. Now, exercises, as a trainer, I know exercises differ to different age group people. At the same time, intention of exercising also makes a big difference. It has a big base for planning the exercise for that particular person. Now, for me, at this age, I do mostly structural whole body exercises with the intention of anti-aging benefits and retaining, at the same time, enhancing functionality of the body. Now, about the nutrition, what do I eat? I follow correct nutrition, that is strictly fat protein diet. Thank you friends. Thank you for listening to me. Like कीजिए if you enjoyed. I'll be coming again and again with many more interesting episodes. I'll be eager to know your comments. Keep watching further episodes of Fitness Size India. Good day. Bye. Thank you.